This is George McDermott here with MarylandCourtWatch.com. I'm down at the United States Supreme Court doing an investigative piece for the Supreme Court on Richard Fine. Here's Sharon Galloway. She's my Baltimore reporter who will be doing stories on Annapolis and Baltimore and following up. I've got Dylan Wiggers here, who is my assistant, and we're down here today for Leslie Dutton out of FullDisclosure.net out of Los Angeles, and we're trying to find. We're going to go in and ask for the Justice Kennedy signature and review the case on Richard Fine as to why he's been falsely imprisoned for over a year and why the court this Supreme Court of the United States has failed to act responsibly and to take on the corruption in California, where over 450 judges have been illegally bribed by the city of Los Angeles and the county of Los Angeles, and it's been exposed, and all the records are in the Ninth Circuit case number 0956073, and they're in the case here in the United States Supreme Court is 09A827, titled Richard Fine. So it happens to all pro se litigants who come before this court. It happened to Elena Sassower in 2007 after they falsely imprisoned her at JudgeWatch.org. This court needs to be investigated by the House Judiciary Committee and Senate Judiciary Committee to make them fall into compliance with the Model Code of Appellate Procedure and the Model Code of Administrative Procedure, because right now there is no administrative or proper appellate procedure in this court. It's a sham. It's a rip-off. You're ripping off tens of thousands of people a year on the false hope that they're getting an appeal just so you can make your appellate lawyers rich beyond belief, knowing that they will never get an appeal. So, here's a copy of the record extract that was furnished with it. I'm not particularly happy with what I saw. Even I put together a better record extract than this. Here's a copy of all the documents we saw and affirmed in this court. I will be filing a motion with the court asking for an explanation from MarylandCourtWatch.com. And this video will be going up at SecretJustice.com and at FullDisclosure.net. We cannot allow this court to operate outside of the law. We cannot allow it to operate outside of the Constitution of the United States. And we've got to make the judges and lawyers who are ripping off people daily in the false hope that they'll get an honest appeal from this court. I just left the Supreme Court over there, as you see, and I'm heading into my Senator Ben Cardin's office, to see if he can set me up with a meeting with these members of the Senate Judiciary Committee to find out why Richard Fine is being falsely imprisoned by the Supreme Court of the United States, and there are no signed orders whatsoever. So I'll pick this up once I come out of the Senator's office.